Hello everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how you can create 8-step PowerPoint infographics in PowerPoint. So let's get started. First of all, go to the Insert tab, Shape, and insert the shape of a rectangle like this. Then duplicate this shape by pressing Ctrl plus D. Adjust the second shape and adjust this like that. Then go to the Insert tab and choose a text box. Write your text which you want. In this case I'm going to write step 1. Select your text, go to the font, apply your font which you want, increase the font size and the color of the text white. Then place the text on the rectangle like this. Then select all the text and the rectangle and press Ctrl plus G to group them. Then go to the fill, apply shadow like this, and then go to the shape format, shape outline, make it no outline. Then duplicate this for 3 times by pressing Ctrl plus D. Adjust this like this. Then select all the shapes, go to the align left, then align, go to the distribute vertically, go to the shape format and change the color of each rectangle. Go to the shape fill and choose your preferred color. In this case I am going to choose this color, and repeat the process for all the rectangle. Like this. Then select all the rectangle, press Ctrl plus Shift and duplicate them like this. Then change the each step text. For example, I'm going to make it step 2, step 3 and so on till step 8. Then select all the shapes and go to the Animation tab and go to the More, Intense Effect, then apply the basic zoom and press OK. Then go to the animation pane and start after previous. Then go to the slideshow and check your slide. So you have achieved your desired result. Thank you very much.